Hello. So what we're looking at here is a level 1 spreadsheet that goes as part of an ICT test. So let's just work through, and I'll just put a couple of extra things in as well, just so it's an extra revision and practice. I'm just going to move my little box over here with all my instructions on. So these are actually the questions from the exam paper. I've copied them out and we've got the board so we can see what's going on. So first of all, here's all our data. So I'm going to select all by pressing Ctrl A. Right click with my mouse, click on copy. Let me just move this out of the way. Go to here, right click, and I'm going to click on paste. Okay. So what we'll do is now we'll just space everything out a bit. Personally, I would like that a bit wider so it's easy to read. Let's just do that, and we'll make pay a bit wider. Okay. Whilst I'm here, I'm just going to line those up so there. Right, then we'll tidy this all up in a minute. So we need to work out what the hourly rate is. Okay. So hourly, I'll spell correctly in a minute. Hourly pay rate. So there we go. Now we'll just widen that out. So to do that, essentially what we're doing is we're dividing this by this. Yeah. So how many 48s are there in 12? So as a sum over here, so we're doing division equals sum brackets pay rate. And remember the little slash sign like this is division. So that's just underneath your question mark on the keyboard, or if you've got the number pad, that's above figure 8. Okay. Click on the other cell there, which is the hours worked. Push up the brackets, do that, and there we go. Pay rate, and it's also automatically got the currency in it, which is quite helpful. Okay, I didn't even press anything there, and it's dragged it all down for me. So there we go. I've learned this in Excel myself. It's dragged it down automatically, but I'll just recap. Yeah, I'll just drag down that like that. Okay. So let's have a look at it now. We can see that the font's wrong. Okay, so I'm just going to go Format Painter, and suddenly all my pound signs have disappeared. That happens. Make sure you're at home. Go to General. Go to Currency, and I'll just pop them all back in for you. Okay. So what we'll do is now let's just do a bit of tidying up. Yep, so we've got that's there, so we can put that in bold. Let's make sure that's all listed across the left, which it is there. Put that in bold. I'm just going to come down here. Put that in bold. Put that in bold. Let me, there we go. That's just sneaked in there. There we go. And we'll just go over like so. And we'll put our lines in. Okay, there we go. So essentially we've tidied that up and make everything look neat and tidy. Okay, so as a reminder, we need to put our footer in. Footer. There we go. Type in your name. Make sure your name's on always on these because they have to be printed out, and that needs to be married up with your exam paper. If you haven't got your name, you're not going to get recognised. You're not going to get the mark. View to normal. Okay. And just one more thing is I want to put if I wanted to password this, info, protect workbook, create a password, type the password in. Now if you're asked to do that, you're not going to be actually physically passwording the folder, you're probably going to be asked to do a screenshot of it. So I'm going to just go down here to my snip and sketch. You can also find something similar in Windows accessories, or you can print screen. Please refer to my video on the YouTube channel for that. Snip and sketch. Click on new. All I just need to do is do that. That's it in my snip and sketch now. Minimize that down. We can come out of this because I'm not going to continue with it. And because the picture is already sitting in snip and sketch, I can just paste it automatically straight in. And then just shrink that down. So for the purposes of the exam, when I come to Mark Examiner, they've got their proof that you've done the screenshot. You've done your password there. Okay, so there we go. That is that example of that spreadsheet. Thank you very much for your attention.